Ending number 6 for Chainsaw Man. They're doing bangers after bangers so far with the 5 first openings. Not opening, endings. So I really enjoy it. This one is called Canaria, so I'm excited to see what they're doing with this. I'll be reacting to the episode in a few hours, so stay tuned and subscribe for that, but let's just jump in. Here we go. Okay, I like this. Okay, that's it. Like the stairs probably like represent, you know, the infinite stairs, or I don't know how to call this, but in the hotel motel, they're stuck there. I like this, that's a vibe for sure. I like this. That's sick. Okay, power. I don't know the name of the girl with the eye patch so far. Is that it? Yeah, that was good. It wasn't like too over the top or, you know, insanity or something, but it was like I would give it like a 8 out of 10 probably. I really enjoyed it. The visuals, you know, there wasn't much going on. Like I said, there was the infinite stairs, some like pictures. Yeah, let me know in the comments what you think of this ending. I really enjoy it, and I'm excited to see what they will be doing with the next endings. I'll be reacting to every ending as soon as they come out. So if you enjoyed those reactions, like and subscribe. But yeah, I guess I'll see you in the video of the episode in a few hours. Bye.